I had a good time last night.
Me too. It was perfect. I loved it.
Minnie, can you just hold up for 1 fucking second?
Should you be talking to me?
Minnie's not my friend anymore.
Are we still friends?
I was hoping more than that.